Hey everyone, it's Candice with Candice Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a little spring basket with just some cardstock starting with 12 by 12. And it's going to be really cute. It's going to be really simple and fun. I think they're so adorable. And I chose to do a double-sided piece of paper this time because this is wide open and you can see the inside as well as the outside. And I just thought it would be so cute if you had just some cute designs on both sides. So I have this piece of paper from the Bo Bunny Brighton collection. Gala, looks like that's the name of this paper. And isn't it so cute on both sides? I don't even know. I mean, I'll probably do the floral on the outside, but look how cute for the inside. This beautiful kind of mint green color and then this really pretty design I think will be so pretty on the inside of my basket. So anyway, I'll show you how to do this. I'm also going to be bringing in probably a little bit of ephemera if I can find some that I like. It's not from the, let's see, what did I say this is called? It's not from the Brighton collection, but it is from Bo Bunny, and it's from their Beautiful Things Noteworthy collection. So I'm sure we can find something. Like I can already tell that some of these things are going to match, you know, from one collection to the next. So I'm sure we can find some things that'll go cute with this. On this one, I actually just used a couple eyelets on both sides and then used some old little flowers that I had and stuck them on the inside, so to kind of embellish it. So we'll see what happens, how this turns out, and if I want to use it or not, or if I just want to leave it be. But I also have some stickers too from the Brighton collection, and I think most of these, I think they're kind of clear. I think they're sort of clear stickers, and so I don't know if I'll end up using these, but they're so pretty. Aren't they pretty? I love these butterflies and these spring flowers. So I don't know if I'll be using them, but I'll set it aside as an option. But what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to slice our paper. And like I said, we're starting with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And first of all, I want to take off this little strip because I always end up using these little strips at one point or another in my crafting. So I'm just going to set this to the side. I don't know if I'll be using it. I guess I could. I might bring it in. We'll see. I'm setting it to the side for now. But the first thing I want to do, let's see, trying to figure out if this ends up being, so I want to cut a strip, a 1 by 9 inch strip of paper that will be my handle. So I think I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I think I'll go this way. And I will just go 1 inch in and slice that all the way up. And now it's 1 by 12 right now, but I might bring it down a little bit later. But what I want to do is start with a 9 by 9 piece of paper. I guess I could go bigger if I wanted. I could do 10. This is 9 by 9. And that's a pretty good size for a little gift basket for a friend or some, like a loved one or something, or it could be a last minute Easter basket or spring basket for you or someone. Okay, let's just do 9 by 9 since that's what I did last time. And that's easy math too, because we're going to divide it into thirds. And so, you know, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and that's just easy math. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to start with a 9 by 9 piece, and I do have a score tool. I do have a tool that, and just like a large piece of, you know, kind of like a tool like this, like a piece of plastic that I can score on. But sometimes just for a quick, easy score, I just score right on my little cutter. So I'm going to score 3 inches in. So I'm actually going to start from here. There's 3 inches, and I'm going to score all the way down at 3 inches. Then I'm going to go 3 more inches, which will be at 6. And I'm going to score all the way down. And then I'm going to turn it this way and do the same thing. I'm going to go in 3 inches, score all the way down, and then I'm going to go in another 3 inches, landing at 6 and score all the way down. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to, or not score, but cut. I want to cut here and here and here and here. Is that all I do? I'm going to start there and see if that's all I do. I'm trying to remember. Okay, so right now I'm going to line up at the 6, and I'm going to cut from here to here and then from here to here. Okay, I think that's lined up good. So from there to there and there to there. Okay, now I'll come in another 3 inches and go from here to here and then from here to here. Alrighty, set that to the side. Now what I want to do is, I think I want this to be the outside. So I'm going to turn it to the bottom and I'm going to fold this way on my score line and this way. And then I'm going to fold this way, all 3 flaps, turn it around and fold in the same 3 flaps on the other side. Okay, now it really is just as simple as bringing these in and bringing this flap up. So you bring these 2 sides, fold them in, bring them into each other till the corners meet each other, and then bring this outside flap up. Now you can, I've seen it other ways where you bring this flap in first and then you match the sides right here. And so this is on the outside, but the reason why I chose on this one to bring that middle flap out second and cover these 2 is because I kind of wanted a place for my handle to go between. So I glued it between these flaps and this flap. So I think I'm going to stick with that. I don't know, maybe I just switch it up. Honestly, I don't know. I can't make up my mind. Maybe I'll just switch it up for the sake of, you know, doing something different on this video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue, and this is just Tombow glue. I don't have the label on anymore because it's old and it, you know, eventually just came off. So, but this is Tombow glue and I absolutely love it for paper crafting, especially something like this. But what I'm going to do first is decide the points of contact where I want to put my glue. So I'm going to put my glue at this point, and then this point right here. So let's see. Right here, right there, and then turn this upside down and go here. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to bring these corners together. When these corners meet up, you know that you're right in the center. Okay, and then I'm just going to press those corners together, pressing the inside as well where I put glue. And then right here, I think I'm going to, well, I'm going to leave that unglued right now because then I'm going to bring in my flap, not my flap, my handle, and then put it in between these flaps. So, and then I'll glue this shut over the handle. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side that I did on that side. I'm going to glue, let's see, what did I do? I did this side over this side. Okay, gluing that corner, and then this corner here, and then this corner here. You can glue it wherever you want. I like to save my glue. I don't like to glue a ton because adhesives aren't cheap. They're expensive. And so, and plus this glue is a little bit expensive, and I just want it to last as much as it can. Okay, just realized I left my flap out. So let's bring it in and reposition where I glued. Okay, there we go. Just pressing down on all my points of contact where I glued. And isn't that going to be so cute with this floral on the outside and this pretty green design on the inside? Oh, I think it's going to be so cute. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in my little handle. And, oh, actually, this is what I cut for my handle. And I think I want to, do I want to do that? Yes, that is so cute. All right, so I'm going to change the handle around. So then this green is on the outside and, whoops, and then the floral is on the inside. So let's see, I really don't need to keep it that long, but I'm just going to. I'm just not going to cut it. You can just sort of maneuver it until you're happy with how long you want the handle. Alrighty, so I'm just going to glue the outside of this a little bit at either end. Okay. And I'm going to open this flap right here and glue it to the inside. All right. And then I want to line it up so that this point is in the center of the strip of paper. Okay. There we go. Press that down, come back over here and line this side up. It's already starting to set and dry. Oh, it dries pretty quick. Okay. I'm going to reposition that. All right. And then just press down where it's glued. Okay, now I'm going to take my glue and put a little glue right here at this point just to reinforce that handle. Oops. Right there. And the glue is sort of seeping out, but I'm just gonna dab it with my fingers and then just rub it off over the garbage can, because when this glue gets on your fingers, it's very, very sticky. And it washes off okay, but it's just so sticky that you want it off your fingers, or your fingers are gonna stick to everything they touch. But I just sort of rub my fingers until the glue balls up, and then I just brush it off into the garbage can. Anyway, just a little side note on this glue that I love so much. Alrighty. Okay, there we are. And I'm just gonna sort of curve this handle so it looks good. And then you can just stick some cute little like Easter grass or something in there if you want, or just some like whatever you want, little pieces of that crinkle paper that you can get like at Dollar Tree or the stores. And let's see, right here, I might add a little bit of glue under there just to tack that down right there. Okay, so I added a little glue there, and then I'm going to under here too. Okay. Oh, and I forgot, I didn't glue my flaps down yet. So now I'm just going to take this flap right here on the inside, and I'm going to glue the corners. One corner, two corner. Okay, see that right there? On either side. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue it up against the side wall here and do the same thing on the other side. Open that flap back up, glue the corner. There we go. Glue that corner and then glue this corner. There. Okay, isn't that so cute? Oh, and I'm going to press down here again to make sure that that sticks. Dries pretty quick. There is a little bit of wiggle room time that you have to situate things if you need to. But overall, it generally dries pretty quick, especially if you use less, which is also a perk of using less glue. Okay, I think that's good. I think it looks so cute. Oh my heck, you could just leave it just like this and it would be so cute. And you could just put treats in it or little gifts. You could put, you know, earrings or a necklace in for someone, just some chocolate, whatever you want. And that would be the most little darling packaging for a friend for Easter or just springtime or even a birthday gift. Just any kind of occasion you can make this for. But I just thought for Easter it was so adorable. So I had to bring this in and show you how to do it. So now I think I'm going to look at this ephemera and see if I can find something that I want to sort of embellish my basket with. So I'm just going to empty this first little pocket of things to see if anything catches my eye. Okay, turn these around. Okay, so I'm going to look at this and see if anything matches. I don't know if there's two of anything that would be the same on both sides. So, oh, you know what though? This would be really cute. It doesn't really match though. But you know what? I still think it looks cute. I'm not sad about that. I think that's really cute. Actually, this blue is actually in here. So that pretty close matches. This, if I did this on the other side, you know what? It still is pleasing to my eye, even though there's no orange in here. This pink is in here, just a little bit lighter, but it's still in here and it still looks so cute. I mean, look how cute this sort of orange goes with this mint color. It's sort of a corally orange and I love it. So I am going to do that. I think it's really cute. You may not think it is, you know, how you would do it, but you know, that's the fun thing about crafting is everyone does what they love and everyone's unique with their taste. So I am doing this and I think it's going to be so cute. I love it, love it, love it. And sometimes I just like things that don't really match. To me, that's more liberating and freeing when I craft. As long as it makes me happy, it doesn't really matter. You know, if you're thinking about who your gift is for, then, you know, you might want to take that into consideration, what that person likes, and then, you know, craft accordingly. But at the same time, I sometimes think people like the things you create using your own style as well. I love when people craft and come up with their own ideas. It's refreshing. It's not my style, but that's why it's so refreshing, is because you sort of stay inside a little box sometimes. Maybe I'll just speak for myself, but sometimes I'll stay in a little crafty box, so to speak, and it's so fun to see a fresh take on someone else's crafting and their ideas. So that's why I think this is so fun. I absolutely love it. These go good together and, you know, with each other. And I just think it's so cute. Oh, have I not even been in camera this whole time? I don't know. But look how fun. This is the fastest little easy project. And I think you will just brighten anyone's day who you want to bring a little sunshine into their life. And like I said, add some little treats or whatever your friend or loved one loves. And put a little note card in there to say happy spring or happy birthday, whatever it may be. And you will just see the smile come on their face and they will love it. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for staying tuned and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give my my video today a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this. Always share with people you know would love crafting things like this. And stay tuned on Thursdays when I upload new videos, and it's always a fun time here at Candice Creations. So hope to see you in the next video and have a happy spring and a happy Easter. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.